In this video, I will help you understand how to use Clarity collaborative work management tools to foster collaboration and improve communication between people and teams working on associated items. Clarity collaborative work management tools can be used to manage work for all projects and investments. Let's create a new business agreement titled GDPR Certifications. Let's enter today's date as the commitment date. Let's enter the agreed upon deadline date. We typically select the standard agreement blueprint when creating agreements. Now let's add the owners and contributors for this agreement. Let's open the agreement canvas to enter more data. Let's add the conversations and last updated date widgets to the canvas. Adding the narrative widget will allow us to create a description for this agreement. Let's add that description in the narrative box. Now let's enter the dependencies for this agreement. The Global X acquisition must be completed before further work can be accomplished. Now let's add the 3 successor projects in this agreement. We can create, edit, and view agreements in an investment or project that has the agreement module added to its blueprint. Let's notify Tanya she has been assigned as a contributor to this agreement. As part of the GDPR certifications agreement, we need to complete a risk and challenge assessment. Let's create a checklist that outlines what needs to be completed during this assessment. Next, let's share this checklist with the owners and contributors of the GDPR Certifications Agreement. We can create to-dos directly in this checklist. Each to-do can be given a due date and assigned to an individual. Checklists created within agreements can be viewed in My Workspace. Checklists can also be created, edited, and viewed in investments and projects that have the checklist module added to its blueprint. Similarly, to-dos can also be created, edited, and viewed in investments and projects that have the to-do module added to its blueprint. To-dos can also be created for tasks, risks, issues, and changes using the Details panel. Now you should understand how you can use Clarity collaborative work management tools to increase visibility and foster collaboration.